me show you how we get it outside.
Michael Anthony Fitness at MAF GigEcon, as I'm known on this channel. And before we get into today's video, if y'all new here, make sure y'all punch that subscribe button, ring that sexy bell, and Hulk smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash that like button. Because I'm here to show you how I run my business and make the money that I want to make, and maybe some of the tips that I use to make the money that I want to make could help somebody else out to help run your business more efficiently, especially since the gas prices are going up. And to help out with the gas prices, in the description down below, I have a Get Upside promo code that you can click on the link, and with your first fill up, you'll get 15 additional cents off per the gallon. So take advantage of that. So you can take advantage of getting 15 cents additional reward points back for just filling up with gas. Now today, I got me a route. It originally had 26 packages, but one of the packages was missing, so I only had 25 packages. And on my way to my first spot that I'm going to be delivering, I actually picked up a pharmacy roadie delivery for $12.40. So that's actually pretty good. Now, the drop-off is where I'm close to where my last stop is. So what I'm thinking of doing to help save on gas, so I'm not backtracking to the first one, is start from package number 26 and work all the way up to package number 1. That way, if I end up keeping the second route that I picked up, I actually will save a little bit on gas, because my first stop is actually closer to the facility than the last stop. So that's actually an advantage that I have, is that picking this up will give me an extra $12.40, and I can start on the last package. Now I probably have to dig out the last package, but the good thing is the way I organize my vehicle, where I start in the back with the highest package count and go from the back all the way to the seats behind me with packages, from the last one all the way up to one, as many as I can behind me. And then on top of those packages, I start with the next ones all the way until I get to the first package. And normally I'll just put the first 1 or 2 packages for the stops on the seat right beside me. So let me go in. I'm going to go pick up this order and go drop it off, and I'll catch up with y'all after I do a few of these deliveries. So that was easy peasy. I'm about to go to my next delivery. I'm going to start from the back to the front. So I'm going to start with package number 26 and work my way all the way to package 1, which that's not too bad, because the way I organized the vehicle, it's not that difficult to get to the last package. The last stop's only 13 minutes away, so that's not too bad. Now, the process was easy to deliver the medication. Once I went to the front desk, the person at the front desk directed me to another desk where I could leave the medication with the nurse. And what the information asked for me was to put the person's name that's receiving the medication. So I put the person's name that's receiving the medication, and then I had the nurse sign. Now, this is a retirement or assisted living home, so it was much easier to have the nurse take the medication to the patient. But I got paid for that. We'll see what the payout is for that once it credits to my account. But it was $12.40 is what I saw on the offer screen. And I'll post the final pay right here. But that's actually really good, because that's extra $12.40 that I was able to make while doing this route on a delivery that was close to my last stop. So I'll check in with y'all after I do some deliveries, but this is why I stress that you should have more than one app, because you may have opportunities like this where you'll get deliveries that are going the same direction, that you can deliver in a timely manner. But I'll catch up with y'all a little bit later.
Poorly fabricated thoughts of judgment in a cluster. Drop kick 'em, drop victim, life living. Don't drop love, it won't get 'em. Drop cops to spin prisons, break it all vicious, free fall. But don't let 'em at all odds with no heart. It's just obvious I can't do all of this now. All of this time got me wondering when I'm to stand on the ground. Cause I've been sitting in a free fall. Don't think I'm ever gonna land. They playing T-ball. Bitch, I just hit a grand slam. Life is seesaw. And I'm a heavyweight man. Think I'ma lead off in the place I wanna stand. But I've been stranded in the air, hanging out with empty hands.